Hello. Hi everyone. Just a second. Hi everyone. How are you all?
Hi, ma'am.
Good evening, good afternoon, all of you. I'm very happy with the efforts of all of you. You people are really working very hard, and I'm very much impressed with that. So your efforts are really showing. So now let's check the problem areas where you were having difficulties. Okay? I'm sharing the screen with all of you. All admitted? Let me see, check. Yeah, now I'm sharing the screen with all of you. Just hold on. Yeah. Now I'm sharing the screen. Yeah. Okay. Now this word, how do you pronounce it as? Lata Ramesh, how do you pronounce this? What happened? I can't hear you all. Yeah, how do you pronounce this?
Martu.
Very good.
Martu.
Some of you were pronouncing it as Martu. It is not Martu, it is Martu. Martu. Devishri, how do you pronounce this?
Marto.
Very good. So whenever there is an EAU sound, whenever there is EAU, it becomes O. O. Martu. Okay. Now this. Some of you were pronouncing it as avion. It is, you don't have to pronounce the last N. You just have to pronounce till avion. And it's a nasal sound, so just put a dot. It should be avion. Avion. Okay? Don't have to pronounce the N. Avion. This, most of you were pronouncing it right. Butai. Now, how will you pronounce this? Devi, how will you pronounce this?
Shato. Shato.
Shato. Very good. So, Bhuvneshwari, how will you pronounce this?
Shatu.
Yeah, Bhuvneshwari, it's not Shatu, it is Shato. Wherever there is EAU. See, just a second. Wherever there is E-A-U, it is pronounced as O, the letter O. So it will be Shatu. Okay? Shatu. Now can you pronounce it again, Bhuvneshwari?
Shatu.
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 Yeah, this should be like pronounced as the letter O, not U. Okay? Arun Pandian, can you pronounce this?
Shatu.
Shatu. It has to be an O sound. O. O.
Shatu.
Very good. O.
Okay.
Letter O. Shatu. And this, most of you were pronouncing it right. Dofa. N is not to be pronounced. It has to be like dofa. Nasal sound. Kiwi. In this, generally, most of you were pronouncing it as kiwi. It is kiwi. Kiwi. Okay. Tab codes, can you pronounce kiwi?
Kiwi.
Very good. How do you pronounce this? In this, generally, you all were making a mistake. Wherever there's an O-N, you pronounce it as O. Question. You don't have to pronounce the N in the N letter, the last letter. You have to pronounce it as question and a nasal sound. So question. Okay. Here also, here, Devishri, can you pronounce this? Yeah. How do you pronounce this, Devishri?
Vagu.
Yeah, Vagu. And you don't have to pronounce the N in the last, just Vagu. Arun Pandian, how will you pronounce Vagu?
Vagu.
Vagu. The N sound should not be there. Just has to be till Vagu. Vagu.
Vagu.
Yes, good. Now, how will you pronounce this? Generally, in most of the pronunciations I'm seeing, mostly everybody has made this mistake in this word, that you are pronouncing it as zebro. It is not zebro. It is zebr. 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 So like the way you pronounce, you know how to pronounce yummy in English? How will you say yummy? Say yummy, anybody? Arun Pandian, can you say yummy?
Zebra.
Zebra. Yeah, now it's okay. Zebra. Anybody else? Just a second. Lata Ramesh, can you say zebra?
Zebra. Zebra.
Zebra. Very good. Like it has to come the way like we say yummy till yo. Zebra. 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 Okay? Because most of you made the mistake, you people were pronouncing it as zebro. It is zebra only. And this, how will you pronounce?
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, it is going to be pronounced as yeah, like the way we pronounce in yummy. So it is the same way you will be pronouncing it as yeah. Yeah. Most of you were pronouncing it as you. So this was the mistake I noticed. Okay. Yeah. How will you pronounce this? Generally, many of you made mistakes in this also. N is not to be pronounced. You know how to pronounce aunt? Aunt. So that aunt, don't pronounce the T, just pronounce till nasal sound. Okay. Devishri, can you pronounce now? Very good. And now this, how will you pronounce? Who will pronounce this? Devi, can you pronounce this?
Do.
See, the it should be. See, EUX, wherever you see EUX, it has to be pronounced like the. THE, like the. Like in yummy, you pronounce it as yummy. So the same way you will pronounce the. THE. Think of it DEUX as THE. So you will pronounce it as the. The. Bhuvneshwari, can you say the?
The.
Yes, it has to be pronounced like that. The. And just a second. Primary coordinator, can you pronounce the? Yes, good. Yes. And this is pronounced as tua. Tua. Yes. And this will be pronounced, yeah, how will you pronounce this? David, yeah, who is Katra? Who pronounced this?
Katra.
Very good. Yes, it is to be pronounced as Katra. Bhuvneshwari, how will you pronounce this?
Katra.
Very good.
Katra.
Very good. Generally, what you all were doing it, you were pronouncing it as Katru. It is wrong. It is just, it has to be Katr. Just Katr.
Katra.
Very good. And now how will you pronounce this?
Sang.
Very good.
Sang.
And this, how will you pronounce?
Wa.
Very good.
Wa.
You just have to pronounce till Generally, you all were pronouncing it as Vant. You don't have to pronounce the GT. You have to just pronounce Va. Va. Okay.
Wow.
Now, how will you pronounce this? Most of you were making mistakes in this.
Landi.
Yeah, now it's proper. Some of you were saying Landi. So it's not Landi, it's Landi. Like the way you say aunt. Landi. And Landi and others, Mardi gender. Yeah, Mardi, you all were. Some of you were making mistakes in Mardi also. It is Mardi, not Mardi. Okay? Mardi. Yes, good. And this, how will you pronounce?
Dimash.
No, it's not Dimanche. It is Dimanche. Wherever there is A. Now start recognizing the sounds. Wherever there is A-N. Wherever there is A-N, we are going to pronounce it as O. So it will be Dimanche. Dimanche. Okay. Arun Pandyan, can you say Dimanche?
Dimanche.
Yeah, Dimanche. A-N will be pronounced as on. Onge. Dimanche. And here now try to pronounce this. How will you pronounce this?
Jovi.
See,
Jovi.
it should be Jovier. Jovier is the right pronunciation. Javier is wrong because A-N, wherever you see A-N, it has to be, wherever you see A-N, it has to be pronounced as on. On. So it will be Jovier. Jovier. So now in this, how do you pronounce this? Tab codes, how will you pronounce? See, it's not février, it is février. Février. You know how to say favorite? So same way, février.
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 Good. So wherever there's an accent in the right hand side, this way, it is to be pronounced as A. Février. Okay? You are going to say it as février. Wherever the accent is here. Like this. Wherever the accent is this way, you will pronounce it as février. Okay? How will you pronounce this?
May.
Generally, it has to be pronounced
May.
as May. May.
May.
Very good. Not May, it's May. 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 Yes, May. Keep practicing it. You will get to understand.
May.
And this, most of you pronounced it wrong. How will you pronounce this? No, you have to pronounce till juillet. 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 Juillet.
Juillet.
Lata Ramesh, can you say juillet? Juillet. Try to pronounce J as J. Juillet. Yeah. Juillet. Juillet. Keep practicing juillet till you get it, pronounce it with 100% accuracy. And this, how will you pronounce this? Yeah, all of you were pronouncing it as, here it is, I wrote it by mistake, I wrote it here, it is here, this accent. All of you were pronouncing this as oath. It is not oath. What is it? Anybody knows how to pronounce this? Yes, it is oath. You have to pronounce it as oath, not oath. Now, how will you pronounce this?
October.
It's not October, it is October. Yeah, because you know you're pronouncing this as October only. Here you are saying O. It is O. October. And how will you pronounce this? Very good. Décembre. See, here also the accent, here you can see here also the accent is on the right hand side, this way. So we are going to pronounce it as Décembre. Décembre. Okay?
Décembre.
Very good. Yeah. How will you pronounce this? Arun Pandyan, how will you pronounce this?
Setangaye.
It is like you all were pronouncing one thing very correctly. Qu'est-ce que c'est? So say you pronounce it as that only. Say, setan. Here you have to link. Okay, I will not teach you the linking first. First, start try saying say, a, kaiye. All of you were pronouncing it as Caillou. It is not Caillou, it is Kaiye. Kaiye. Okay?
Kaye.
Very good. Say a Seta Kaiye. Now, Lata Ramesh, can you say Seta Kaiye?
Setan Kaye.
Not an, it has to be a. Seta Kaiye. Like in aunt we say. Seta. Nasal sound. Seta Kaiye. So, the T will, you have to link the word here. Say, Seta, Seta Kaiye. Because U is a vowel. So you have to link it. Seta Kai. Okay. Now who will pronounce this? Devishri, can you pronounce Seta Kai?
Seta kaiye.
Very good. Seta Kai.
Kaiye.
Kaiye. And this one?
Setungam.
Very good. Setyun Gum.
Sejungam.
Yes. And this one?
Seta bo.
Seta Bon. A-N. A-N, wherever
Bon.
there's A-N, it has to be bon.
Setambo.
It will be Seta
Seta
Bon.
Setambo.
Bon. And this one?
Setun reglu.
Very good. Setun Regle. Here, since the accent is in the left-hand side, you are not going to say regle, you are going to say regle. Whenever the accent is this side, you will say it as regle. Okay?
Setyungam.
Okay, ma'am.
Setun regle. Now, in this, everybody had a problem in this one, the question 6, which I gave you all. So let us do it properly. How will you pronounce this? Bhuvneshwari, how will you pronounce this?
La femme. La femme.
La famille.
La femme.
Yes, la famille. Good. It has to be this, till I you have to pronounce. La famille. Okay? How will you pronounce this?
Labor.
See, first I will tell you how to pronounce la and la. Wherever you see L, wherever you see L-E, it has to be pronounced as la. La. Okay?
La.
Very good. And wherever you see L-A, it has to
La.
be pronounced as la. La. La.
La.
Okay? So this was the first mistake I noticed. And now what are you saying? How will you pronounce this?
Leper.
Very good. Le père. Le père. Because this, because here there's a, in this side, in E accent is this side. So that's why we are saying, not saying pair, we are saying pair. Le père. Arun Pandian, can you say le père?
Leper.
Le père. Lata Ramesh.
Lefer.
Again.
Lefer, ma'am.
Le père. Okay. Good. Maheshwari, can you say le père?
Leper.
Le père. Like the way you say ferry, no? The same way you have to say, don't say the ferry till ferry, say till fair. So le père. This way you will remember better. Can you say ferry?
Okay.
So instead of saying ferry, instead of saying ferry, fair. Fair, the sound of fair. It has to be fair. So here it will be pair. Le pair. Okay?
Leper.
Pair.
Leper.
Le pair.
Leper.
Tab codes, can you say le pair?
Leper.
Yes, good. And this? Arun Pandian, can you say la mer?
La mer.
Very good. Devi, can you say le frère? Le frère. Le frère.
Lefer.
Le frère. You keep practicing this. It has to be le frère. Frère. Devishri, can you say le frère?
Lefer.
Yes. Good. And this one? Now you understand how you should pronounce this one?
La
Lato.
La?
Ton.
Taunt. Till T you have to pronounce. La taunt. An will be pronounced as on. So it is la taunt. La taunt. And this one?
Long.
See, O-N is always pronounced as on. So it will be l'oncle. 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 Primary coordinator, can you say l'oncle? Anybody for l'oncle? Can you say l'oncle?
Long.
Yes, good. L'oncle. Good. So now we are going to do so whoever I told to redo the test can now very well redo the test also, and others also please practicing and recording. Okay. And now, yes, now we are going to do this. Yes. So anybody remembers how to pronounce this? We did it in the last class. Maheshwari, can you pronounce this? Very good. So see here it is O. This word was uezo is starting with a vowel O. So that's why we are saying it S becomes Z. We link the word and it becomes lezuezo. 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 Uezo. Okay. Devishri, can you pronounce lezuezo?
Lezuezo.
Very good. You have to pronounce till U, A-U. So, lezuezo.
Lezuezo.
Yes. This one we did. This is very, very good. Aigle. No, yeah, aigle. No igloo or anything. It is just aigle. Aigle. No, it's not igloo. It is aigle. 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 This one is, how will you pronounce this? Very good. Autruche. Autruche. CH will become sh. So it will be autruche. Sh. Autruche. Sh. Autruche. And this one, how will you pronounce this?
Cigonio.
Not cigonia. 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 Again, can you pronounce that? Maheshwar, Arun Pandian, can you pronounce cigonia? Cigonia. Try to pronounce the end में y. Cigonia. And this one?
Goat.
Devi. Devi, can you pronounce this word? It is corbo. Corbo. See, O-R is pronounced as O-R. O-R is pronounced as or. Or. And E-A-U, you already know that it is pronounced as O. So it will be corbo. Corbo. Okay? Corbo. It's never, it has to be one O letter. O alphabet. So it will be corbo. Always remember EAU is pronounced as O alphabet and nothing else. Corbu.
Corbu.
Very good.
Cor.
How will you pronounce this?
Cook.
Cook.
Cook. Cook. Very good. Cook. And this one?
Canar.
Ganar.
See, in the second one, you have said Kanar. And why in this you are not saying the same thing? A is written, so it should be Kanar. Kanar.
Canar. Canar.
Kanar.
Canar. Canar.
Just a second. And what's this? How will you pronounce this? Scene. Scene. Can you pronounce scene?
Sin.
Scene. Scene. G-N-E is pronounced as scene. Scene. Keep listening to what I give you the recording, and then you will be able to pronounce this one. Scene. Now, how will you pronounce this? Anybody will try? Perroquet. See, ER, wherever you see ER, you will say per, air. ER will be air. So, perroquet. Like P, you just think it as perroquet. Perroquet. Perro, and then just pronounce the K alphabet. Perroquet. Okay?
Okay.
Primary coordinator, can you say this?
Okay.
Very good. And Bhuvneshwari, can you say this? Pronounce. Hello? Bhuvneshwari, can you pronounce this?
Perroquet.
Yes. Sita, can you pronounce?
Perroquet.
Very good. And this one, how will you pronounce this? Anybody wants to try?
Fawn.
See, P-A. Here A is there. So you have to pronounce it as pa. Pa. Pa and O-N, and O-N, you know that you have to pronounce it as O. O. So it will be pound. Pound. You don't have to pronounce the last N. It has to be the nasal sound. So it has to be pound. Pound. Devishri, can you pronounce pound?
Pound.
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 Very good. Pound. Now this one, how will you pronounce?
Hebrew.
See, H is silent. You don't have to pronounce, H is silent. So you don't have to pronounce the H in French. So it will be
Ibu.
Ibu. Very good. Ibu. Ibu. This is, how will you pronounce this?
Peach.
Try.
Pigeon.
Yeah. Peach. Pigeon. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Very good.
Pigeon.
Devi, can you pronounce this?
Pigeon. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. So it like peach, I is pronounced, you know, it has to be pronounced as peach. And on to as so it will be piju. Piju. And how will you pronounce this? Anybody? Try. Bhuvneshwari, can you try?
Mongo.
Yeah, this is correct. EAU is correct. But muenu. Try to pronounce it as muenu. Not muanu, it is muenu. Again.
One.
Yeah, muenu. Muenu.
Moen.
Muenu. Devishri, how will you pronounce this?
Muenu.
Muenu. Now these were the birds which we did. Now we will do animals. How will you pronounce this?
Lesu.
Lezanimu.
Lazy.
Just a second. Yeah. Lezanimu. Okay. Here also animo starts with a vowel A. So you have to just link the word and it will become lezanimu. Okay.
Lezanimu.
Lezanimu. Yes. And then how will you pronounce this?
Sha.
Very good. Sha. Sha. T will not be pronounced. It will be sha.
Sha.
Sha. And this one. How will you pronounce this? Now you should be understanding how to pronounce it by yourself. By seeing the word.
Chin.
No, CH is pronounced as sh. Sh.
Sure.
So how will you pronounce?
Sure.
And Shia. I, you know, like she, Shia. Shia.
Sure.
I see CH is pronounced as sh and IEN is pronounced as Ia. 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 So it will be Shia. Okay. Bhuvneshwari, can you say Shia?
Shia.
Very good. Shia. Very good.
Yeah.
And this one. Goat. How will you pronounce it as?
Shiv.
Yeah, Shiv. Because the accent in E is this side. So that's why you will pronounce it as Shiv. Shiv. How will you pronounce this, Arun Pandyan?
Wa.
Wash.
CH is pronounced as sh. Yeah, Vash. It will be Vash. Okay. Tap codes, can you pronounce this?
What?
Yeah, it is Vash. CH has to be very clear. It is sh. Vash.
Wash.
Vash. And this one?
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
So how will you pronounce it as in French? See, in French, you pronounce you as you only. So you pronounce you as you only. So that's why it will be beautiful. Beautiful. Can you pronounce it? Beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes, very good. Devishri, can you pronounce this?
Beautiful.
Very good. So now the time is going to end. I'm doing it till it remains. Just 10 seconds, just 10 seconds are left. This one, the time is up, I think. Koshon. Anybody else? Devi, can you say?